In this tutorial, we will demonstrate the 3 types of randomization available in Questionnaire Builder 2. The first type of randomization relates to page order. In a questionnaire, you may have multiple pages containing different sets of questions. The pages of the questionnaire can be randomized by using the Randomise Page Order toggle located underneath the questionnaire pages. When this option is toggled on, all the pages in your questionnaire will appear in a random order. In this example, we want to ensure that page 1 is always the first page, which means it needs to be excluded from the randomization. We can implement this by selecting page 1 from the drop-down on the Accept setting. This way, page 1 is always presented first and the order of all the other pages is randomized. You can preview the page randomization by pressing the Preview button in the top right-hand corner. Next, you can randomize the order of the questions on a page. If we look at page 2, the order of questions are randomized by toggling on the Randomize Questions option. The Accept setting is used such that the instruction text object is not included in the randomization. Therefore, the order of all the questions on the page will be randomized except for the instruction text. Finally, you can randomize the response options in a question. For the multiple choice question on page 2, the order of the response options has been randomized by toggling on the Randomize Order setting. By toggling on this setting, this randomizes the order which the response options are presented. You can also toggle on the Exclude from Randomization setting on individual response options. For example, the response option for the favorite question will be randomized apart from the Rabbit option, which will always be presented as the last option in the question. You can then preview the question and response order randomizations by using the play button in the live preview. Each time you press play and the reload button, a different randomized order will be shown, similar to when participants will complete your questionnaire.